video I am going to share about how to load modules in articles of Joomla 5 when we create new articles, and if we want to add modules in that article, we can easily call and load the modules in the articles. So in the content, in the articles, I have created an article, my first article, and if I go to front end side, this is my article, and there in my page there are modules as main menu, login, and I want to call these modules in this article. So I will open a new tab for the modules, and there is no content in this new module. Now there are only 3 modules: main menu module, login module, and footer module. And this is my article. I want to call this module and add the modules in this article. For example, I want to add this login module in this article, in my article. So in this my first article, to call the modules, it is very easy. We can call like load module, and we have to add the module name. For example, we have to call load, we have to add in this bracket, and inside this we have to add load module, and after that we have to add the module name. So for the login module, we have to add the module name of login, mod login. For the menu module, mod menu. For the footer module, mod footer, like this. When the load module, we have to add the module name. So in this case, I want to call the login module, so I will call mod login. Save, and if I refresh the article, now you can see this login form, login module is in my article. There are 3-4 methods that we can call module. The first one is this calling with module name, and the next one is we can call with position. For the position, we can call like load module, and we have to add the position, left, right, sidebar, left, sidebar, right. But for the position, we have to add load position. For this login module, the position is sidebar right. So I will call load position sidebar right. Save and refresh. Now there are 2 modules in the sidebar right. Sidebar right is for the main menu and login. Now if I call sidebar right, it will add all the modules that are in this sidebar right, so that you can see main menu and login module display in this article, because these are in the sidebar right position. So the second method is calling with module position, and the next one we can call is module id. For the module id we have to call load module id and add id number. This is module position. Now I will add the module id, load module id, and we can get the id in this site module list. There is id column 116116. I want to add this 16, id 16, so load module id 16. Save and refresh. Now it will call this login module, but if we call with id it will not show this title. If we call with name and position it will show. If we call with the name it will show the title also. So these are the methods that we can call modules in article. Now I will share. If we create custom module, click on new and search for custom, and I will give the title as custom module. This is my custom module, and I will give the position sidebar right and save and close. Now if I want to call this custom module, if I want to call with name, I have to call like for custom module we have to call like load module and mode custom, because this is custom module, but there can be many custom modules in our page, so we have to add with comma, and in the next parameter we have to add the module name, the custom module name. In my case load module, and I will call this mode custom, because this is custom module, and for the custom module I want to call this custom module. So there is name confusion, so I will add like new. I will give the custom module as new, and if I refresh, there it show this is my custom module. And if I want to call load module mode custom, and in the next parameter I have to add the module name, custom module name. In my case custom module name is new, and save and close. And if I refresh my page, there you can see new. This is my custom module. It calls this custom module. But if you think this is a little different, we can easily use this calling with module for the custom module also. If we create custom module, there it generate an ID. Now the ID is 128. We can easily add load module id, and at the id number it will call that module. But if we call with id, it will not add this title. So these are the ways of calling the modules in article. So we can call with name, we can call with position, we can call with id. So that's all for this video. Thank you very much for your attention.